Hey guys, it's Iwa of Nam Life. We are back in the kitchen with a new recipe. It's been a minute because we were in the midst of moving. As you can see, we are in our brand new kitchen. It's my dream kitchen. It's big, beautiful, open, and really excited to cook and share lots of videos with you guys here. So today we are making kind of vegan kimchi grilled cheese. So we are calling this kind of vegan kimchi grilled cheese because we are using milk bread and regular kimchi. So regular kimchi does use anchovies, shrimp, garlic, and I really love that salty, briny taste to the kimchi. But you could totally make this completely vegan and use vegan kimchi and bread without any milk, eggs. But we are using vegan butter and vegan cheese. So let's get started. Butter 2 slices of bread. You can use milk bread or whatever bread you have. Chop the kimchi. You want to make sure that it's nice and finely chopped so that you can have nice thin pieces on your sandwich and it doesn't get too stringy. Layer with the amount of cheese that you like. Go crazy or go light. Make sure that cheese melts into the bread. Then layer with kimchi. Flip the bread on top of each other and then remove from heat. Slice it in half or diagonal, whatever floats your boat. And ooh, enjoy. And that's all there is to make a almost vegan kimchi grilled cheese. Before this, it had been so long since I had grilled cheese again. It's so good, and with just like a little bit of tang and a tiny bit of spice and pickling from the kimchi, it's perfect. A lot more flavor and depth and umami than a regular grilled cheese. Hope you guys enjoy it. So as always, be sure to follow, like, and subscribe for more recipes and food content, and check out our Instagram for more. Until next time.